Did you know the banana you ate this morning might be spiking your blood sugar instead of fueling you? Why do Olympic athletes eat meat right before competing, but doctors warn diabetics to stay away? Can one banana a day actually lower your blood pressure without a single pill? What's hiding inside my peel that most Americans throw away every single day?
And why does eating me at the wrong time turn my biggest strength into your worst problem?
You've had me in your kitchen your whole life. You've peeled me 1,000 times. You thought you knew me. You didn't. VegFruity is going to reveal all the confusions regarding me. My name is Banana. I was born in the tropical soil of Southeast Asia,
where the air is thick with heat and the earth runs deep with minerals.
I traveled across oceans to reach your grocery store, your kitchen counter, your child's lunchbox. I became America's single most purchased fruit. More than apples, more than oranges, more than anything else in that produce section. And yet, most Americans have spent their entire lives eating me wrong. Not because they didn't care, but because nobody ever told them the truth about what I actually do inside them. I carry 7 gifts, each one backed by science, each one working right now inside every cell of your body. But I also carry one warning, and most people learn it too late. Let me fix that, starting now. Every energy drink you've ever bought was trying to be me, and failing. Here is what actually happens the moment you eat me. Inside me, I carry 3 types of natural sugar. Glucose fires immediately, fast fuel, like igniting a match. Fructose arrives slower amid keeping your energy stable. Sucrose delivers the final wave, long burning, steady, and clean. That triple release system? That's why elite athletes at the Tour de France, at the Olympics, reach for me at the starting line. Not a gel packet, not a synthetic drink, me. And unlike those drinks, I come with potassium, magnesium, and B vitamins already built in. So your body doesn't have to rob itself to process the energy I give. No crash, no jitters, just clean, cascading, natural power. That cramp, the one that wakes you up at 3 in the morning, the one that locks your calf like a vice and makes you gasp. That's your body screaming for potassium. I carry 422 milligrams in a single medium fruit, more than most Americans get from an entire day of eating. Potassium is the mineral your muscle cells use to contract and release, properly, smoothly, without seizing. When potassium drops, muscles cramp.
After a hard workout, your muscle fibers are torn at the microscopic level. The magnesium inside me reduces delayed onset muscle soreness. The B6 supports protein synthesis.
A quarter. That's what I cost at the store. That is your post-workout recovery solution. Your gut contains roughly 38 trillion bacteria. What you feed them every single day determines whether they protect you or slowly destroy you. When I'm slightly green, I carry resistant starch. Your gut bacteria feast on it, converting it into compounds that reduce inflammation and reinforce your intestinal lining. That is prebiotic power, the kind your doctor charges for in probiotic supplements. I deliver it naturally, for less than $1. I also carry pectin, a soluble fiber that slows digestion, gives your gut lining time to absorb properly, and dramatically reduces bloating. 1 in 3 American adults has high blood pressure. Most of them are on medication for it. Many eat breakfast within 10 feet of a solution they never use. Potassium and sodium work against each other inside your arteries. Sodium tightens the vessel walls, potassium relaxes them. The American diet is drowning in sodium. Processed foods, restaurant meals, packaged snacks, sodium is in everything. And most Americans are getting a fraction of the potassium their body needs. The DASH diet, the most clinically validated dietary approach for blood pressure ever studied, recommends 4,700 milligrams of potassium per day. I am exactly what that recommends. 40 million Americans live with an anxiety disorder, 17 million with clinical depression. And most have never been told what they eat has a direct conversation with their brain chemistry.
Inside me lives tryptophan, the raw material your brain uses to manufacture serotonin.
But I also carry vitamin B6, the catalyst your body needs to actually convert tryptophan into serotonin. One banana, tryptophan plus B6, working together inside your brain every single time. I'm not an antidepressant, but I am one of the most elegantly designed mood-supporting foods your brain will ever encounter. That 3 a.m. wake up, that hour of lying in the dark, mind racing, body exhausted, but somehow unable to surrender back to sleep, millions of Americans know it exactly. Melatonin is your sleep hormone, made from serotonin and tryptophan. And tryptophan is converted by B6, and magnesium calms your entire nervous system. Magnesium activates the parasympathetic nervous system, the rest and digest state. In a magnesium-deficient body, the nervous system stays in low-level alert all night, and you never reach deep restorative sleep. One banana eaten 1 to 2 hours before bed initiates this entire cascade. Tryptophan moves, B6 converts, serotonin rises, magnesium quiets, melatonin builds, sleep deepens. The diet industry has spent 40 years convincing Americans that fruit is dangerous for weight loss, that bananas became one of the most feared foods in the diet world. Here is the truth. My calorie density is approximately 89 calories per 100 grams, lower than almonds, lower than a protein bar, and I carry 3 grams of fiber that slows gastric emptying dramatically. After eating me, your blood sugar rises slowly and steadily. Your hunger hormone stays suppressed for hours. I rank higher on the satiety index than most breakfast foods, higher than eggs in some studies. Your immune system runs a constant surveillance operation, 24 hours a day, scanning for pathogens, neutralizing free radicals, and repairing cellular damage before it becomes serious. I carry dopamine and catechins, the same class of antioxidants celebrated in green tea, working inside your body to neutralize free radicals that accelerate cellular aging and disease. I carry vitamin B6, which your body uses to produce white blood cells, the frontline soldiers of your immune defense. Every time you were sick and someone told you to eat fruit, they were right. Now, I need you to stop for a moment. Because everything I just told you, every gift I carry, can be turned against you, and it happens every day in American homes in ways nobody talks about. When I turn brown and soft, my glycemic index jumps from 30 to 60. Thinking they are being healthy? Empty stomach, cold morning, just you, my high magnesium content can temporarily disrupt mineral absorption. Mistake. My nitrosity flux. The mistake is eating me alone, with nothing else, first thing. Banana and cold milk on empty stomach? Smoothie culture has made this universal in America. But cold milk slows your digestion in a way that creates discomfort, bloating, and for some people, sustain nausea. Add oats, add warmth, change the outcome entirely. 2 or 3 bananas daily for someone with kidney disease, that is potassium overload. Healthy kidneys clear it efficiently, compromised kidneys cannot. If you have kidney disease, your doctor needs to set your limit. This is a precision-based warning, not a fear-based one. I was never meant to be eaten without awareness. The same power that heals you can work against you when you ignore the rules. I am not a candy bar. I am medicine disguised as breakfast. Treat me like one. Now that you know what I can do and what I shouldn't do, let me tell you exactly how to unlock everything I carry. Ripeness is everything. I am high in resistant starch, ideal for gut health, blood sugar management, and satiety. I am slightly firm, the version for metabolic support. Yellow with no spots, peak energy, triple sugar release fully developed, maximum B6 content. This is the athlete's banana. Eat me 30 minutes before exercise. Yellow with brown spots, antioxidant content peaks here. But sugar is also highest, so this is not the version for blood sugar sensitive for immune support and mood elevation.
Morning, always pair me with something. Oatmeal is ideal. The soluble fiber from oats plus my resistant starch creates a combined satiety effect that lasts 3 to 4 hours.
Pre-workout. Eat me 30 minutes before exercise. Alone or with a small amount of nut butter. Give me time to begin the digestion process before your muscles start demanding energy. Before bed, 1 to 2 hours before sleep. Not right before sleep. Give your body time to begin the serotonin to melatonin conversion. This timing has been shown in sleep research to measurably improve both sleep onset and sleep depth. Peanut butter. Healthy fat slows my sugar absorption. Protein adds satiety. This is one of the most complete snacks available at any gas station in America. Oatmeal. The fiber combination is synergistic. Both are DASH diet staples. Both support blood pressure. Together, we create a cardiovascular meal out of breakfast. Long before the DASH diet had a name, long before any laboratory confirmed what I carry,
The people who lived the longest already knew.
In Okinawa, Japan, where more people live past 100 than almost anywhere on Earth, I am a daily presence, not occasional, daily.
in Costa Rica, another blue zone, men in their 90s still work their farms and live with physical vitality. I am a staple there. Simple, grown nearby, eaten ripe. In 1876, I arrived in America at the Philadelphia Centennial Exposition, wrapped individually in foil. Sold for 10 cents each. When a dime was a significant sum, Americans called me extraordinary. Within 2 generations, I became the most affordable fruit in the country, available in every store, in every zip code, at every income level. Your grandmother knew something. Your body confirmed it. Science just needed a few more decades to catch up. I've been beside you at breakfast since you were a child.
I want to be honest with you, because that is more important to me than sounding impressive.
The NIH has confirmed that dietary potassium is inversely associated with blood pressure and stroke risk. The Mayo Clinic has documented the relationship between magnesium, tryptophan, and sleep quality. The USDA confirms 1 medium banana delivers 422 milligrams of potassium, 25% of your daily B6, 10% of your daily magnesium, 3 grams of fiber, all for approximately 105 calories.
I am not a medicine. I will not cure diabetes. I will not replace your blood pressure medication. I will not single-handedly reverse your dietary damage.
Let's go back to the beginning.
You asked if the banana you ate this morning was spiking your blood sugar. Now you know it depends entirely on ripeness. Green and yellow, gentle, stable, safe. Brown spotted daily alone, potentially problematic. You asked why Olympic athletes eat me but doctors warn diabetics. Now you know I am precision nutrition, not a universal rule. You asked if 1 banana a day can lower blood pressure without a pill. The answer, backed by clinical evidence, is yes. For many people, yes. Consistently, measurably, yes. You asked what's hiding inside my peel. Serotonin precursors, compounds that skincare brands now extract and sell in expensive serums. Your peel has been going in the compost. You asked why eating me at the wrong time turns my strength into your problem. Now you know exactly. timing, ripeness, pairing, your health context determine whether I am protecting you or working against you. 7 gifts, 1 warning, 1 banana. I am one of the most powerful, most affordable, most accessible tools your body has. I have been sitting in your kitchen for decades, waiting to be understood. Now you understand me. If you learned something today that you wish you had known sooner, that's exactly why this channel exists. Every vegetable, every fruit, every food your body has been trying to use correctly. If this changed even one thing for you, consider subscribing. Not for us, for the next video waiting for you. Leave a comment. What surprised you most about what I carry? I want to know what nobody told you before today.